Are you tired of struggling with nail fungus that just won't go away? You're not alone. Nail fungus is a persistent issue that affects many people, causing discomfort and making your nails look unattractive. But what if I told you there's a natural solution that could help? Today, we're diving deep into ProNail Complex, a supplement that claims to help fight nail fungus and promote healthier nails. So, can ProNail Complex really cure nail fungus? Let's find out. ProNail Complex is made with 100% natural ingredients, including tea tree oil, herbal extracts, and essential vitamins. These ingredients have long been known for their antifungal properties and their ability to promote nail health from the inside out. Unlike many harsh chemical treatments, ProNail Complex works to restore your nails using only organic and natural components. This makes it a safer, more gentle option for those looking to treat nail fungus without compromising their health. Now, let's talk about how it works. When you apply ProNail Complex to your nails and surrounding skin, the powerful oils and nutrients begin targeting the root cause of the fungus. Over time, the natural healing process helps eliminate the infection, restore the strength of your nails, and improve the overall appearance of the skin around your nails. The result? Healthier, fungus-free nails that you'll be proud to show off. But what makes ProNail Complex stand out from other products on the market? It's the combination of internal and external treatment. Not only can you apply the oil directly to your nails, but you can also take the ProNail Complex capsules, which work from the inside to support your immune system, making the healing process even more effective. Of course, no treatment is magic, and results can vary from person to person. But with consistent use over time, many users have reported visible improvements, with fungus clearing up and nails becoming stronger and healthier. So, can ProNail Complex really cure nail fungus? The answer is yes. It can help treat and restore nail health naturally, with visible results when used consistently. Just remember that results won't happen overnight, and it's important to stick to the treatment plan for the best outcomes. If you're ready to try it for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can purchase ProNail Complex. And the best part? It comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If you don't see the results you want, you can get your money back. Don't let nail fungus hold you back any longer. Start your journey to healthier nails today. Click the link below to learn more and purchase ProNail Complex now.